Have you tried the BFF? It's the best fit finder, an Aerie exclusive way to get your best fit. I'm Kim A. I'm a bra fit expert here with Aerie today, and I'm gonna help you find your best fit, because when you find your fit, you feel good, and that's what matters most. I've got Savannah and Natalie here to demonstrate how to use the BFF. So before you get started, make sure you're wearing a lightly lined bra without any padding or push-up, and avoid a minimizer, so that way you can get your bust lifted and get your most accurate measurement. Okay, let's do this. To find your band size, start with this side first on the BFF. Wrap it just under your bust and straight back around your body. Keep the BFF parallel to the floor. You can even use a mirror or a buddy to keep it in place. Take a deep breath in and out, then relax and breathe normally. Take a look where the edge of the BFF lands, and that's your band size. To find your cup size, use the second side of the BFF and wrap it around the fullest part of your bust. Once again, keep the tape parallel to the floor and just flush to your body. No digging in or squishing. Take another deep breath in and out. And in the column where the edge of the tape lands, look for the band size you measured in step 1. The letter next to this is your cup size. And that's it. The BFF also helps you find a sister size, aka a different band size with the same cup size equivalent, to see if it fits and feels good. To find your sister size, check out the color-coded diagonal boxes extending from the original size you measured. You can try these sizes for a similar fit to the one that you measured, and then choose the one that feels best to you. When it comes down to it, the BFF will help you find the sizes that are a great place to start. Then check the fit and the feel and choose the size that supports you and everything you are. Your bra is waiting at Aerie.com.